Hey everybody, what's going on? In this video, I want to do a quick review of our PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. Now, this Bissell Steam Mop we've had for about 6 months, and we actually got this steam mop after we replaced our flooring in this house. Used to have a ton of tile, and we've replaced it with a kind of like a luxury vinyl. And we were looking for something to, we didn't want to put down chemicals and put down a bunch of stuff on here. We just wanted to use steam, and we picked up this steam mop, and we've loved it so far. So I just want to show you some of the quick features on it. And again, why I think it's probably one of the best on the market. So the first thing is it comes with 2 of these kind of cloth steam. Here we go. Here's the second one. So it comes with 2 of these, which is nice. When you use one, you can throw one in the wash. And then when you're done, you can throw this dirty one in the wash and put this one on for when you need it. But it's very, very simple to use. This is where you fill up your water tank here at the top. This is the power button, and then there are 2 different steam settings here, and then the steam comes out the bottom here. So let me show you real quick kind of what it sounds like, and that's pretty much it. And then there's one secret little feature right here, which is why I would recommend this steam mop for everybody, and we'll get to that at the end. So real quickly to start it, all you have to do is push this button here. This is your power button, and then that is the button to start the steam. And you guys can already hear it starting. And it actually, when it does get going, it pushes out a lot of steam. So you guys can hear that. You can see how much dirt and grime that it's picking up off of our luxury floor. We have 3 kids and a dog, so we have to clean quite frequently because the kids are running in and out of the house all day long. So you guys can see all of the steam that comes out of this steam mop is really, really impressive. Once you actually put it down, you guys can hear how much quieter it is. And all we do is we just let it run like that, and we just go back and forth, and it does a really, really good job of cleaning our floors, of course, after we sweep our floors up. So you guys can see how much water and steam that it puts down. It actually cleans the floor really, really well. So we'll turn this off real quick. Right here, all you do is hit this. And then all you really have to do is, for this little attachment here, there's a foot here at the back. Well, that piece right there, you can see there's a little shoe. Well, if you push this, what it does is it allows you to actually pull away from the head of the steam mop, and it gives you access to this portion right here. And this is where the steam comes out of. This right here is your secret. If you have tile floors and you want to clean the grout, you just detach this and you use the scrub pads and the steam to get down in between your grout. And it really does a good job of cleaning your grout. Honestly, that's the one thing about this tool that I love the most. If you have bathrooms with tile, or if you have a house with tile and you don't like the look of the grime that's building up on the grout, then I would highly recommend getting this so that you guys can clean your grout. So that's pretty much it. There's a really, really good, you guys can see how long this cord is, and I'll back up a little bit. You guys can see, I mean, I'm clear across my room here, and there's easily like 10 to 20 feet of cord. So there's enough cord to really get around your house. That's it. I mean, there's not too many crazy features on this. It just does what it's intended to do very, very well. Okay, so that's going to be it for the PowerFresh Deluxe. And like all videos, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching another Smart Tips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.